here, the blue triggers are calls. The green are emails. And then down at the bottom, we might have some tools that are helpful in terms of the engagement. Okay? So we'd like, because we know that most of the time it's going to take somewhere between 9 and 12 touch points to get to everybody in the database, we actually shoot for this, which is 10. This is what we execute on. But the period of time is very important as well. So I want 10 in 3 weeks, and then we're going to move on. I'm going to chase Rob Maddich from PureFacts 10 times, and then I'm going to move on. And what we do and this is all for outbound demand generation for us today, but the first week we're going to have a couple of calls, and we're going to send at least 1 email. Okay? Second week, we have 3 calls. When we call a ghost, anybody know what a ghost is?
Call and don't leave a message.
Thank you, Kevin. Call and don't leave a message. Another email, okay? And I might have my first email voicemail guide, and then I might have a second email sort of guide for it, and I have different templates potentially for very short emails. We're going to talk about that, very, very short emails. The third week, I'm going to have 2 more calls, and the last call and the last email are what's called the professional breakup.